Hello dear friends, welcome. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this platform. Now this platform is actually like a CoinVid, but it's not CoinVid. Now I made a video on March 3rd 2025 whereby I introduce you all, if you have been a subscriber on this my page on CoinVid, where actually you play here and you earn, and there is going to be a signal group and you are going to be earning a deposit bonus. So please note that this is not a quantitative platform. This is just as if you are trading, but you are not trading. You are playing different type of games here and you are going to be earning on this platform. So let me show you guys how to get started. This platform is actually reliable and it is here to stay, so do not fright. So all you just need to do first of all is to click down the link in the description box of this video, or you check down the pinned comment of this video. I'm going to be dropping the link there, as well as my link to my Telegram channel, so you can access me if you have any questions. So all you just need to do first of all is to input your username. Then the next thing, after you are done with that, you come here and you choose your country code depending on your the country you are from. Make sure you input the right one, and then the next thing, you input your password. So for me, I have I'm already sign up on this platform, so all I just need to do is to come here and drop everything, my full details, my login password and all. So if you just come to this platform, it's going to bring you to this interface. Please make sure you read through this instruction so you don't break any form of their rules. Now if you look through this interface, you are going to see like it just look as if you are trading here. The name of this platform is called 55BTC, you understand? So let me take you guys to the juicy parts where you can actually earn. But before that, let me show you, if you make deposits, how you can also be earning from this platform. Now this is what you are going to note. Now for every first deposit that you made on a daily basis, that's one thing I love about this platform. On a daily basis, if you make a deposit, they are going to be giving you one free USDT. For example, if you make a deposit of $3, then you get one free USDT attached to it. Now you can look at this is an instruction. Please, they urge you not to create multiple accounts because you are looking for different deposit bonus. Please make sure you stick to one account. Now if you want to take your earning after you are done depositing, I'm going to be dropping the link to the customer support in the pinned comment of this video. Now the link to the customer support after you've done your deposit is here. Now this is it. You can see it on my saved message on Telegram, but I'm going to be dropping the full detail in the description box of this video. So if you just tap here, it's going to bring you to this interface. So this is how the customer support actually looks like. Now the next thing for you to do also, I'm going to show you guys how to work with the signal group, but before that, let me show you guys how to actually play here and earn, because I'm supposed to make a withdrawal. Now if you come here, you are going to look where you see games here, so tap on game. If you tap on game, it's going to load up. Please make sure you like, you comment and you subscribe. If you have any question, please make sure you ask me in the comment box. Then you slide it up, then you come down to the one you see limbo. Now you tap on limbo. Now you can actually start with as low as 3 USDT, 10 USDT and above, depending on how much you believe you can afford. Now if you come here, you are going to observe there is a target multiplier. There is an arrow pointing down at every detail. There is a target multiplier and there is an amount you are going to start with. I believe you can see my own balance here. My own balance here is around 409 USDT here. Now I'm going to urge you, if you want to start, in order, if you have been on my channel, you know that I'm big on risk management. So if you want to start, make sure that this multiplier, you don't change it. So if you come here to this multiplier, you are going to see this, right? Make sure you put it at 2.0. Now once you put it at 2.0, let's do it again, 2.0. The next thing for you to do is to come here and you start playing with what? 0.1. So you do 0.1 depending on your balance, you understand? So if you are doing with 10 USDT, 100 USDT and below, I encourage you to start with 0.1. that's 1 cent. Now if you want to play, once you are done putting that 0.1 and your target multiplier is 2.0, you're just going to come here and tap on confirm. Now there is a strategy here. After you tap on that confirm, if it happens that that's your first game that you play didn't come to a win, how do you know if you win or lost? You come here and click on this 3 dotted icon on my right. Now if you click on it, you are going to see game records. You are also going to see my own game record. So you can see this even first one that I play is a win. You can see it right here, right? So depending on how much you are willing to play with, well, please make sure you are starting with just 1 cent. Now after you're done with that, for example, let's go with this. Let's say I want to go with $10 now, you understand? So for you, you can start with 0.1 cent depending on how much you deposited. So let's say I want to go with $10 now. Now I'm just going to tap on confirm. So if I tap on confirm now, there is, if you see here, there is like a multiplier here. Just in case that one come in as a loss, you are going to make use of the multiplier. So let me just check this out. I come here and check on game record. Now you can see this one I actually won it. So you can see there is no need of me making use of multiplier. So you can see I won it. Let's refresh and see my balance again. So you can see my balance. I started with around 4 409, and now we have 418, and I can actually withdraw this money live. I'm going to withdraw it in this video so you can see, so stick around. Now after you are done with this, for example, if you lose, make sure you are going to see an arrow pointing at ×3. So you keep on clicking ×3 if you lose until you come back to a profit. Now if you come back to your profit, you need to now start again with 0.1 with your initial startup. I believe you understand. If you have any question, make sure you find your way to my Telegram channel and ask me. Now the next thing, again, I'm done with teaching you guys. So for you, this is where you can be playing every day. It doesn't have any time limit. You can play it 247 and earn as much as you can. Now after you are, so that's why I love this platform. There is no time limit to it. Now there is another one we call here on this platform that works with a Signal group. Now let me show you guys how the Signal group actually works like. Now the link to the Signal group is going to be dropped in the in the description box of this video. So I'm just going to tap here. This is the link to their Signal group. You can see this is their Signal group. Now let me show you guys how the Signal group, how it actually operates, because they have not fully launched how you can make use of this Signal and play with it, but I'm going to show you how you are going to play with it. Now you come here, let's go back. Okay, I'm already out of it, so let me just come back and let me log into my platform again. Hold on, give me a minute. So let me log in again. Give me a minute. Okay, just give me a minute. Let me log back again. You can see I'm closing down my details. So I want to show you guys how you can actually play with this that comes with Signal. So for this that comes with Signal, you're just going to tap on game here, and then you tap on, we have red, green, 30 seconds. There are minutes timer, so I'm going to tap on this red, green, 30 seconds. So let me show you guys, there are timer attached to it. So if I come here, you are going to see there is 30 minutes, 1 minute, there is different timer attached to it, but I want to show you how you are going to play it. Please note that I come here again. Please, you can see I'm taking my time to make this video because I don't want anybody to make any form of mistake. However, if you don't understand anything, find your way to my Telegram channel and ask me. I believe we are going to be stacking a lot of USDT from this. Now you are going to come here. This 6682 that you see here is a period number. This Zan green that you see here is the type of trade you are going to place. You understand? Then these other ones here are just like a multiplier, but you can still skip this and just go with the limbo and play with it. So let me show you. For example, now there are no signal that are being given currently. For example, let's say they give us this signal here, and which is what, green and X72. Now that X72, you can see it here now, X72. Let's go. Now this is it. Now for example, it is green. We want to play green. Then now there is no signal that is being placed, so I'm just going to just do this. Let's just give it a try. So let's just do it and see. You understand? So there is a timer. The timer is going to elapse, and I'm going to see if I'm in profit. So basically what I'm showing you guys here is that I believe along the line they are going to fully launch this one because the platform is new, and it's like a subsidiary of CoinVid platform, not CoinRide. I say CoinVid. I made a video March 3rd, so make sure you pay attention to this, and you can start playing on this as much as you can, and you can start with as low as 10 USDT. So guys, the next thing for me to do is to place withdrawal. Now I'm going to show you guys how to place withdrawal. The first thing you are going to do is to ensure you copy what USDT TRC20 network. You come here and click on this dash here. Now what you are doing here is that you want to bind that wallet address. So I'm just going to type here. Please make sure that the wallet address that you want to use at the end of the day is your own personal wallet address. Don't go and use another different wallet address, because what you are doing here is that you are going to bind it. So I'm done with that. So what you need to do is you are going to impute a funding password. So let me come here. I've binded this wallet address, so I want to withdraw everything that I have here. So the next thing, I tap on my fund password. Now you are going to be making use of a fund password when you want to make your withdrawal. So you can see, let me tap on withdrawal here. So I've placed my withdrawal. You can see my withdrawal is all successful. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to go check on it on Bybit, and this is it. I just got a notification that my withdrawal has arrived. So you can see I'm just going to be dropping down my screen so you guys can see it for yourself. Now you can see it right here. You can see my deposit is confirmed. You can see it. My deposit is confirmed, right? So let me just quickly even show you guys on Bybit how it looks like. You can see it right here. My deposit is actually confirmed. You can see it. You can see it. My deposit, you can see it's confirmed. So that's how you go about this, guys. Please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe.